3 years ago, we started a journey to help people look and feel their best. Today, we're proud to celebrate our 3rd anniversary at Fusion Aesthetic Clinic. In just 3 incredible years, Fusion Aesthetic Clinic has grown into a trusted destination for those seeking life-changing transformations. We're proud to have successfully performed over 1,000 hair transplants, giving our patients not just fuller hair, but renewed confidence and self-esteem. We've provided advanced treatment to more than 1,800 patients through our PRP therapy, helping them regain their natural hair and stop hair loss in its tracks. From combating hair thinning to restoring hair volume, we've tackled over 100 different hair concerns, each one a unique story of transformation. Our expertise extends beyond individual treatments. We've organized 7+ hair camps, across Maharashtra, Goa, and even outside India, making advanced hair care accessible to a wider audience. We've also had the privilege of treating over 50 celebrities, helping them achieve the hair and skin transformations they need to stay camera-ready. But our work doesn't stop at hair. We've rejuvenated the skin of more than 350 patients, helping them achieve radiant, healthy skin through customized treatments designed to address everything from pigmentation to aging. And through it all, we've had the privilege of consulting with over 4,800 patients, listening to their stories, understanding their needs, and guiding them towards personalized solutions that truly make a difference. At Fusion Aesthetic Clinic, results are what matter. Our hair transplant procedures provide natural, long-lasting transformations, restoring fuller hairlines and thicker hair for over 1,000 patients. With PRP hair therapy, the results are clear: reduced hair fall, thicker growth, and healthier hair. Over 1,800 patients have regained their confidence through this advanced treatment. And our skin treatments? Patients leave with brighter, smoother, and rejuvenated skin. From acne scars to anti-aging, our personalized care ensures glowing results that last.